Hey guys, here again. Two more 2012 Topps football trading cards. The blaster box. It has 12 packs with 8 cards in each, plus the commemorative patch card. I'll be opening up one right now, so let's get into it. And there's the patch card and the packs. Let's get into them. We got Paramount pairs. We got Cyrus Gray and Ryan Tannehill. Got one of those cards there. Got Sam Bradford, 1965, tall boy insert. Oh wow, that's an awesome card there. Aaron Rodgers. I'm a huge Packers fan. It's a Gold Border League MVP Aaron Rodgers. That is my favorite card so far I pulled from the set. Oh wow. We have Antonio Brown. Nice. Alright. That's an awesome pull for me. I love it. Cool. Nice John Kuhn. You got a Terry Bradshaw, QB Immortals. Jermaine Gresham, tall boy there. RG3 and Kendall Wright, Paramount pairs. Randall Cobb. Yeah, Joe Namath, rookie quarterback reprint. Pierre Garçon there on the Redskins. Got a Drew Brees Player of the Year stamp on there. I think that's one of the short print cards there. So that's a pretty cool. We'll have to check on that later. And we got Dez Bryant. another one of those game cards. I'm still waiting for the site to be up and check everything out on there. We got a tall boy Kevin Cobb. Some nice rookies there. We got a Riley Reef and a Brandon Whedon. Got 2 more packs to open here. Alright. Oh, awesome. One of my favorite players on the Packers, B.J. Raji. And there's Aaron Rodgers. So, let's see. So, yep, that is, looks like it's a short print gold border, so that's awesome. I'm really liking that. Then we got Trent Richardson and Justin Blackmon. And then Tim Tebow. He's alright. Alright, the last pack here. And Troy Aikman, quarterback Immortals. Got Peyton Manning on the Broncos. That's a nice looking card. Got Andrew Luck. Alright. So, got some pretty good inserts there. Love the Aaron Rodgers pulls. So, let's see what the patch card is. And it is Peyton Manning. That is a pretty cool card there on the Broncos. I like the Peyton in the new uniform. It looks pretty cool. So, there we go. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.